Hi guys, I'm going to unbox this box. This is a IS Steady Mobile Plus. It is a stabilizer when most especially to our co-bloggers in YouTube. This is the one that you could use effectively so that when you shoot a certain place in a certain things, it will be stable. That's why we call it stabilizer. So I'm going to unbox this one. uh, I think it is $79 or to $100. So this one, uh, we call it iSteady Mobile, or for stabilizing gimbal for smartphone. So when you shoot, it will be easy to see. It's not such a soaring when you try to look at it. Okay, so unbox this one. Yeah. Okay. The brand is Hohem. Hohem. Okay. Here. Hohem. So this is it. And for the tripod, we have a for tripod use. This one. So just put it here like this. Just screw it up. Screw it up. So you could put it on a table anywhere. See. See. Okay. So then have a phone here, smartphone. Just squeeze this smartphone here. And it could be adjusted here to make it balance manually, because it's so that you conserve energy. You conserve uh, the power. Okay, and then squeeze it. Yeah, yeah. Then balance it. Okay. So then we have to open this one, the power on. You don't need the, right now we don't need this one for the base. So we just, there's a switch here. You have to press it for 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. See? Okay guys, once the setup is being made like this, you could operate it like this when you want to put it up. Yeah, put it down. Okay, you could see we have also to be connected to the network, to the internet, using this software that I have. It's software by Gimbal. So you must upload it or download it into your computer here, and then you could be connected easily by just pressing the simple button here downstairs. And be sure that it is connected to the blue button or the blue lights here. That means you are connected via Bluetooth. So it's a Bluetooth connected. Okay. So this is the Bluetooth. This is a good one for blogging, because it's make it stable. Even you run, even you walk fast, the video that you're able to get is a clear one, not it become an eyesore. Okay, thank you so much. And this gimbal is good for all of us bloggers. Okay, thank you so much, and hope to see you soon. And subscribe, like to my channel, and please, to all bloggers following this video for watching this video. Please follow all the YouTube community guidelines. Thank you very much. Hope to see you soon. Bye.